What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing today? I hope everything's going well. I just wanted to get on here. We're gonna do a little conversation about chatbot marketing. I'm learning chatbot marketing, so I wanted to teach you guys how to do chatbot marketing. So as I learn, I'm gonna teach. Something that I like to do. I like to teach for a couple people at the same time. So basically, like I learn for a couple, like learn for two is what I call it. And basically, is I take in that information so I can sit there and teach you guys. All right. So basically, what I'm going to do is I want to go over a few notes that I took. So give me 1 second. Okay. So basically, I want to get in and teach you guys what I have learned about chatbot marketing. It's a really big thing. Chatbot marketing is so basically. There's a whole bunch of them, but the main one that everybody uses is ManyChat, and ManyChat is $10 a month. It's not much at all. They have a free version that you can do for like $500. It's like 500 contacts you get, so you can get up to 500 people into your messenger list. And basically, ManyChat uses Facebook Messenger to message people, and a lot of people they use Messenger a lot more than they would check their email. So it's like the new revolutionizing version of email marketing is just chatbot marketing now. So people can, they have like 80 to 90% open rates compared to like 21 at the best that you can get for email marketing. So I just want to go over a couple notes. I know today's not your typical tutorial, but I want to do a little bit more face-on stuff, get a little more personal with you guys. And I want to be able to, get on and, talk here, and then I'll take you to my computer usually afterwards. My computer's behind me. I've been working on like a new setup. I have LEDs set up and stuff like that, but it's daytime right now. And right now, for some reason, they're not working. So I got to rewire or something. So just want to be more open and honest. So guys, I am Chris Tharp. I am the guy that's been teaching you for the last about a month and a half. But I'm getting a little bit more, I'm trying to be more personal. I'm trying to be more face-to-face with people when I talk to them on here. So the thing is, I am very open, I'm very honest, and I'm very just boisterous. Like I'm not trying to be too loud right now because I have a 6-month-old child and he is downstairs sleeping right now, so I'm not trying to be too loud. But so let's get into chatbot marketing, and I just wanted to say, hey, I appreciate you being here, and I hope you guys enjoy this, okay? So what is chatbot marketing? Chatbot marketing, how can it help me? The goal for chatbot marketing is to build a bot campaign for acquisition and messenger bot campaign for monetization. So basically what they're trying to say is you're going to build a bot campaign to acquire customers, okay? You're going to get people to come into your what do we call it, environment, or you can get them into your campaign. So you get people, you send out an email or a campaign in the situation, not an email, a bot campaign, and the bot will send out and say, you could say something like, hey, how you doing, da, 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 da. I'm giving away this free PDF on this, how you feel, or what is your biggest struggles, or you can ask questions however you want to do it. One of the best ways to do it is to ask questions. I'll get into a couple months from now, probably I'm gonna get into what we call quiz campaigning, and basically teach people how to do quizzing. Quizzing is actually one of the best ways to do it. If you haven't read the book Ask by Ryan Levesque, I would highly suggest go in to check it out, because it's a very good book. It's about asking people, their biggest failures and everything like that, because people want to answer questions about themselves. They don't care about surveys and stuff about something that has nothing to do with them. They care about themselves. It's one thing about marketing. Everything else, we only care about ourselves. We don't care about the person marketing to us. What do you have for us is the question. That's the main question of the day. What do you have for us, and why should I be listening to you? Okay, so we want to build a campaign to get people in, but then we want to be able to use that, okay? This is right here, and we're going to use Messenger for a campaign to monetize. Okay, so once we get people into our Facebook Messenger, then we can push ad campaigns, or we can promote stuff to them, whatever we're going to do to make our money. Okay, chatbots are automation. They are the automation of messages and triggers that allow us to launch Messenger marketing strategies through Facebook Messenger and more. Okay. So basically, they allow us to go through I don't know how many people out there remember like Yahoo Messenger, AOL Instant Messenger, MSN Messenger. I mean, messengers have been around for a long time. I mean, I used to use AOL Instant Messenger when I was like 13. Okay, I'm 30, about to be 35 next month. Okay, it's November 2019, so you gotta think about it. I was 13, so that was 22 years ago. So that was 1997. Wow, yeah, 1997. So you think about it, how long ago we used to use stuff like that, okay? It actually might have been 99, because I think I might have been like 15, but around that age. I mean, still 20 years ago. 20 years ago. So messenger bots have been around for a long time. Now we're just using them for campaigning, and now they're automated. So people write us, and we can have something pop up and carry a conversation with them. We're not even sitting there, okay? So that's another beautiful thing about messenger bots that people don't realize. The open rates, the more of the, the automated stuff that you get in the background, so you're not having to sit there and type with a person. Even though if you have the time, I'd highly suggest doing it, because the thing is more of a personal touch. So they're just taking it now and putting it in Facebook Messenger and all different messengers. So now we can monetize it. Messenger marketing is the use of marketing with your customers as a messaging app. So like I said, Facebook Messenger, you could probably even do something like, well, you can't do Snapchat. You could do, probably something, I'm trying to think, like WhatsApp, stuff like that, any kind of other messenger. But Facebook Messenger is the main one they use, okay? This is not email, okay? Remember, when we use chatbot marketing, we're not going to be doing like a broadcast email. We're carrying more of a personal conversation. We're not, hey, check out my greatest tips today, or hey, this is my story. You want it to be like, you're carrying a conversation with this person that you're talking to. You want them to realize that, they're feeling appreciated, but you want to carry a conversation. You want to be like, hey, how you doing? This is Chris. I just want to check in on you, see how you're doing. What's going on, what struggles you have. Can I help you with anything? You just want to be more personal. So that's how you want to do it. Kind of like I'm doing with you guys today. Be more personal on camera. I'm not actually on the screen. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I had to wait until I could get a better camera. And I want to do the setup a little bit different, so you guys had something better to look at than my closet door, okay? But yeah, this is conversation. Be personal, okay? You gotta always remember your customer experience is always, always, always number one, okay? The customer's always right. I don't believe in that, and I hate to say it, because the reason is the customer can be wrong many times. But the experience that the customer endures is something you definitely want to keep number one. That is always the right way to do it, okay? You want to make sure they're right and make sure they're happy, okay? But if they're wrong, you want to make sure they're happy when they leave, and the fact that, hey, this is not right, but let me teach you what is right, okay? So chatbot marketing is something that's really good. It came out a couple years ago, and the thing is, it's grown. We got stuff like, now you can create jobs, like if you want to become a bot copywriter, like if you want to write copy for people that do bots, maybe an automated bot service, you want to help people build their bots, there's all kinds of different ways to do it. So there's all kinds of different services you can use out there. So if you haven't thought about something you can do on the side, learn how to do chatbot marketing. I'm going to be teaching about it. Like I said, I'm learning myself. So that's why I have a notepad. I take notes on everything. If you're not really good at studying or learning things, I highly suggest taking notes, because it's probably the best way to do it, and then acting upon it. You can take notes all day and you could remember some, but acting upon it, actually going in and doing the work, is the way we want to do it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you in and show you what ManyChat is. I haven't signed up myself. I wanted to sign up in person with you guys. So I'm going to sign up with ManyChat, and guys, we're going to go from there, okay? Guys, I do appreciate you taking the time to actually watch me in person. I know it takes a lot of, a person to sit there and get in front of a camera, but it also takes a lot of a person to sit back and watch a person just talk back and forth and not lose interest, okay? So guys, I appreciate it. I promise this channel is completely worth it if you guys keep watching. I'm going to grow this channel to be huge, just mark my word. It's going to take time, and I understand that, and that's how YouTube works, because you got a million people trying to do what I'm doing. But guys, there's something about me that I felt for my whole life, that I needed to touch people and help people. And I'm trying to do it, okay? I do have a vlog channel that I do for fitness and other stuff, but we'll get into that later when you guys get interested, okay? Guys, I appreciate everything. Thank you for everything you do, and let's go jump into my computer. Guys, so now we're inside a mini chat. I'm just gonna kind of go through here. We're gonna kind of go through this together. Like I said, I am not a part of this, so we're gonna go ahead and get started for free. And what it's gonna do is gonna open up another page, and we're gonna sign in with Facebook. Okay. I'm gonna agree to their terms and services. We should obviously all do that. Sign in with Facebook. It's gonna make me log in, so I'm gonna continue as Chris. It made me log in again. Okay, yeah, that's exactly the one I want to be in. Would like to manage your page. I don't know why it keeps doing this. I keep scrolling my pad, and it makes me keep doing this, and it's weird because I know everything about computers, and for some reason, it's beating me. That's fine. We'll allow that. That's not a big deal. It's basically just asking me what I'm going to allow to go with. Now we're just going to go down here and hit OK. Okay. All right. So as you see, it just opened us into another thing. We're going to be redirected to a profile questionnaire. Let's go ahead and log out of Facebook because I am done with Facebook. And we're just waiting on this redirection of questionnaire. I'm waiting. I am waiting. Hello. Let's go ahead and... There we go. All right, guys. So if that doesn't work, you saw what I did. I just had to refresh the screen and it started working. I am a business owner. Marketing agency. There you go. Well, I'm not an agency yet. We'll call myself a solopreneur. There you go. How many people work at your company? Just me. What best describes your experience setting up marketing campaigns? I'd say basic. How did you hear about MiniChat? Let's see here. Advertisement. Marketing agency. Well, not my marketing agency. Marketing agency expert. There we go. So we're just going to answer those questions. You see, it's not too hard. And now you're going to connect to a Facebook page. Okay, so I'm going to connect to this page. Okay. Will this account be used for actual business? Yes, it will be. What describes best for your business? We're gonna go infopreneurship. And we're gonna nope, not setting up for a client. Okay, so now we have set up our bot. Okay, now the thing is, once you get good at this, guys, you can figure everything out, which I'm going to do soon, is we are going to set up the Pro version. Okay, as you see right here, you can upgrade to Pro. It's $10 a month. It's not crazy, you know. So that's an option. So you got your dashboard. Obviously, this is going to be our active subscribers every day that come through. You're also going to see where where you modify your flows, your growth tools, your sequences. Like these are like if you did email, it'd be an email sequence, but this is a sequence. You have growth tools, which are I'm actually learning about them right now. There's a few of them, the top four. There's 8 of them, but there's 4 of them that you want to actually mess with. The other ones they're not really important. You can do Facebook ads, you can do triggers, you can do keywords. But we can go to audience, so you can go to audience, and obviously, as you see right here, is like she's explaining to us, audience is where all the subscribers are listed out along with basic information. I'm pretty sure this is probably like email where you probably have a list. You have live chat, so if you want to do a live chat with people, you can start chatting with actual people that are on. You have your growth tools, which are here. You're gonna new growth tool up here. Broadcasting. If you want to send out a broadcast, so you like basically what happens, you create a broadcast, you go new broadcast or broadcast from Flow. You're gonna add one of the two. And what a broadcast is in email is if you have like a whole list of people and then you want to send it you want to send out an email, just say you like news about a 10% discount and you want to tell everybody, hey guys, they're 10% discount. So you want to beat everybody else. You want to send out that email real quick. Go ahead and send it out. Or you can have it set up so it comes out the next morning or whatever. And it sends to all the people so because it's not a part of autoresponder. So the broadcast is the same way with this, I believe. I will be finding out more. But and if you have any questions, guys, you can always talk to one of these guys. More than likely, they are a bot, but there might be an actual live person. Actually, I think these are actual live people. You have paid messages here. So you can activate a paid message functionality. You'll be able to send any promotional message to your client whenever you want. The reason it says whenever you want is because there's rules with ManyChat. Basically, you can send out one promotion every 24 hours, and then there's a it's called the 24 plus 1, and then there's a certain amount of people that don't get the message, and you can send them another one. Okay, so you can only send one message within 24 hours. Now there's a catch to that. You can send it, and if they respond within 24 hours, then you get to send it again within another 24 hours. So here, if you pay for your messages to send out to people, you can send as many as you want. Okay, so now you have automation, so you can create automation and have, go through, do the upcoming Facebook update menus will remember as a flat list at top level. So you would go open flow, and then you would send like subscribe back confirmation. Next step is subscribe back. So you create your flow here. I don't know how to do all this. I'm going to learn how to do it, so don't worry. You're going to have like a welcome message that's going to come in right here. And the thing is, like, say you're building all this and you don't want to enable, you can disable it up here so it's not sending out anything. But if it's anything like I know of automation with email, then you create a new message. You would send your message here, and then you do a quick reply. You could put like an image, a card, a gallery, and you can build your own automation. So it's pretty cool. Got to get more into it. I don't know much about it, so I'll learn more, guys, so don't worry. You have your new flow. So flow is kind of like a set of emails or stuff like that. So basically, as you see right here, you can do it like an opt-in message and then an educational message and then a soft sell, and you can all this, okay? But like I said, I am still learning just as much as you guys are. Here's all your settings. So I'm going to learn all this. And as I learn, once a week, I'm going to come on here and I'm going to teach you guys what I learned. So this is ManyChat, manychat.com, guys. I don't think there's an affiliate program for it. So I don't. Let me see if there is. I don't think there is because it's so cheap to add on. Oh, my email's not verified. I gotta email. I gotta be verifying my emails, guys. Verify my emails. No. I'll check all that out later. I'm not too worried about it right this second. So what we're gonna do is settings, templates, my profile, help. We're gonna upgrade to pro. You have a coupon. I'm just trying to see, guys, real quick to see if there's any way y'all guys can make money with ManyChat. You can add a new Facebook page if you guys want right here. Help. Here's the easy way to do it. Let's do it the easy way. Go to google.com, not Goog. So we'll go here and we'll put ManyChat. What in the world? I guess I'm not typing in here. Hold on. Let's go right here and put Many. I don't know what in the world is going on with my freaking keyboard right now. If I scroll, you see I scroll, I minimize everything. If I type, it's screwed. I don't know. We'll figure it out, guys. But I'll research it, and if there is an affiliate program, I will let you guys know. But guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Remember, just keep studying, keep pushing. You'll get this. If you got any questions, please hit me up in the comments, and I will definitely hit you up, guys. Thank you.